What's the meaning of concessionary? Concessionary. Concessionary.
Concessionary. Concessionary. The term concessionary refers to something that is granted or given as a special privilege or advantage. This can apply to various contexts, such as discounts given to certain groups of people, special rates for particular services or products, or benefits provided to employees or customers. In essence, concessionary offerings are intended to provide certain individuals or groups with a favorable and often preferential treatment, based on their particular status or circumstances. Such concessions can be a useful tool for building customer loyalty, incentivizing desirable behaviors, and promoting greater equality and inclusion in various settings.